In this video, I am going to show you a perfect Instagram hashtag strategy that will get you thousands of impressions, hundreds of likes, and a lot of loyal followers. In fact, I have used this particular hashtag strategy for my clients as well as I am using this currently for my own Instagram page, which I'll show you in the video later. I'll walk you through the whole process itself. Hi guys, what's up? Sanadya this side, and this is my YouTube channel, helping you with everything related to digital marketing. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping digital marketers and influencers with everything related to digital marketing, which is advanced as well as beginners. So it will help you make your campaign success. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle is @newsdigitalmarketing, where you can ask me any question and I'll answer all of those. Hashtags are a very important factor to grow on Instagram organically. So if you don't want to spend money on ads, hashtags are the only way how you can promote your handle and grow. And even if you are spending money on ads, it's always a nice idea to gain as much amount of followers as you can through free medium. Who doesn't want free stuff? Well, but that doesn't mean you should start using any hashtag, whatever comes into your mind, like sub for sub, follow for follow, like for like. Remember those? Well, they used to work in 2016, but right now, no, they don't work anymore. So next question is, how many hashtags should you use in your post as well as in your stories? So the limit is that up to 30 hashtags can be used in posts and up to 10 hashtags can be used in stories. But that doesn't mean you should use all the 30 and all the 10. Well, you can use somewhere between 15 to 25 in your post and somewhere between 7 to 9 in your stories. Hashtags act like keywords in your posts as well as in your stories, because it gives the clear indication to Instagram what your post belongs to. For example, if you are using hashtag summer or hashtag insurance agency, then Instagram knows that this particular post or story is related to insurance agency, and it will be showing that particular post in the explore section to only those people who have that kind of interest. Once you have mentioned the hashtags, the post, first of all, let's talk about the post will be featured in the recent section of that hashtag feed. And for the story, if it is popular and if Instagram thinks it's worthy of getting featured, then it will also be featured in that particular hashtag feed. In addition to that, people also follow some hashtags. For example, I also follow hashtag digital marketing, hashtag email marketing. So in my personalized feed, there are a lot of posts which comes along, which they have used for that particular hashtag and which Instagram thinks I might be interested in. So your post can also get featured in their personalized feed as well. Therefore, I guess you have now got a clear picture of why you should use hashtags properly inside your stories as well as posts. So as I said, you can use 30 hashtags in one post. So basically there are 30 ways in which you can get popular, right? And there are a lot of accounts which I have followed after seeing them in my Instagram personalized feed. So there are 30 chances with every post. So basically with each hashtag you are including, you are increasing your chances of getting popular or making your content more engaging and also increasing the chances of engagement. Now that we know what is the importance of hashtags, so you also need to know that some of the hashtags are really popular and some of the hashtags are kind of moderately popular and some of the hashtags are not that popular. So by popularity I mean there would be 1 million posts if it's very popular, like more than 1 million posts, and if it is not, or it is moderately popular, then it will be somewhere between 3 lakhs or something like that. And if it is likely to be less popular, then the post would be ranging somewhere between 50,000 to 10,000. So basically you can't use all the popular hashtags, also you can't use all the very less popular hashtags. You need to follow a rule in which all the kinds of hashtags should be included in your post as well as in your stories. Well, in front of you now you can see that there are two rules, okay, for like two rules as in for stories and for posts, okay, and that you need to follow. you can see the hashtag, and on the right side you can see the subsequent quantity of hashtags which you have to include in posts as well as in your stories. I hope you get what I'm trying to say, and if not, then you can comment down below and I can help you understand. As you can see that the hashtags with lower amount of posts will have higher density in our caption, but the, but the hashtags which have high volume, or which likely have a lot of posts, would have lower density in our captions. That's because they are oversaturated. By oversaturated I mean already there are a lot of content, like there is a lot of content which is already there, and there are a lot of people who are already still publishing on that. So basically whenever you publish anything with that particular hashtag, chances are your content will die off immediately within a fraction of seconds, because there are tons and tons of Instagram photos and stories which are posted with that particular hashtag, and chances are if you are a newbie, then your story won't be that engaging, because the accounts which have higher followers are already focusing on those particular hashtags, and since they have a high engagement, that's why the hashtag feed would be more biased in their favor, because Instagram knows that that particular post which is posted by an account which has higher followers is performing well, and that's why you won't be able to rank. On the contrary, the hashtags which are moderately popular and less popular, there your chances of ranking are higher. Understand, the goal of your post is to rank between the top 9 posts in the hashtag feed, not in the recent section but in the top section. Okay, and how you can achieve it is by focusing on hashtags which are moderately popular or less popular. Also, even in the recent section, your chances of staying there would be longer, because remember, people are not publishing that much amount of, or people are not pushing that much amount of content in those particular hashtags, and that's the whole sole reason why they have less posts. Right now I would suggest taking the screenshot of these two rules so that you remember next time you're posting any story or publishing any post. Now you might be wondering, Sanidhya, how will we find so many hashtags? So you don't need any fancy tool. Like, there are a lot of tools in business which are asking you to pay, but Instagram itself has also provided a tool which is search bar, through which you can do that very easily. So let me take you to my screen and show you how it is done. Now as you can see the screen, if you are typing any hashtag, then there are already a lot of suggestions which are coming down in the list, and you can use those. Also, if you click on any of these hashtags, you will reach to a page where there is a slider of a lot of hashtags, and you can use those. So this is how you can do your keyword or hashtag research. Well, I use them interchangeably because they act like keywords itself. Also, there's another method. Well, there might be some people who are popular in your niche, and you can go to their account. For example, in beauty or fashion blogging, there might be one influencer who would be very popular. You can go to his or her account and just check out all the hashtags which that person is using, because if he or she has a lot of followers, then probably they are doing hashtag strategy right. So you just go over there and need to see what all hashtags they're using and try understanding what is the thing which they're using more, and use that and inculcate that in your hashtag strategy. Now the next point is how to organize it, because you're not gonna do this every time you're posting. You just need to make a reservoir of all your hashtags in front of you in an Excel sheet, just the way I do. Now let me take you to my computer screen and show you how I organize it. You can see that there are multiple sheets, each dedicated to a niche. In every sheet I have segregated hashtags based on the number of posts and tag it contains. This I can easily shift to Asana, Google Keep or Evernote, so that I can copy paste them whenever I post anything, and I don't have to waste any time researching anything. Because trust me guys, Asana or using Evernote has been a life-changing moment for me, because I just have to copy anything from those particular apps. That's it. In case you want to access this particular Excel sheet, then please comment below, and if I get more than 100 likes on this video, then I'll make it available in the description section. Also, before using any hashtag, also remember that particular Instagram post should also be relevant to that hashtag, because I've seen many a times that the particular hashtag is nowhere relevant to digital marketing, and still I am seeing those particular posts in my personalized feed, which is a very which is a kind of experience which I don't want. And obviously I just go and share with Instagram the feedback that I'm not interested in these kind of photos. So I wouldn't want you guys to face that particular kind of backlash from users. So definitely go ahead and see what kind of posts are already there, and whether your content actually resonates with those kind of posts or not. Now let me take you to my mobile screen again and show you how I would do it. So this post is of affiliate marketing, therefore I'll mix match the niches. It comes under the digital marketing as well as it comes under affiliate marketing. Also, it does come under financial freedom and everything. Therefore, I'll choose the hashtags from all these categories, keeping in mind the hashtag density sheet which I showed you earlier. I've already selected all the hashtags with hashtag density formula that I already discussed and put them in my caption and uploaded it on my Evernote. Now I'll open the Evernote in my mobile and just copy the caption where I have mentioned all the hashtags, and use that particular caption in my video's caption and then upload it. As I said a lot of times the caption, because I wanted to emphasize that over comments and caption, I would use always the caption in order to mention my hashtags. Now it has been a debate that people would be cynical, or people have debated that where should you use your hashtags. Either you should mention them in the first comment, or either you should mention in the caption. Now my take on that is you should always mention that in the caption, and that's what I do. Well, there are a lot of studies which have said that it doesn't matter, but I think you lose the initial 10 to 15 seconds when you are trying to do that. Or by that I mean when you are trying to mention the hashtags in your comments. You obviously lose 10 to 15 seconds, right? Now we'll post this particular post, or publish this particular post, whatever you call it. Now I will use the same post and use it in my story as well, and I'll choose a set of same or different hashtags depending upon my mood. Just kidding. I'll use the same hashtag density sheet and use the hashtags in the story. Now you can either hide the hashtags behind the post itself, or you can change it to the background color, or you can show it to the audience. Whatever suits your Instagram aesthetics, do so. I generally like to experiment this particular part. Wait, the video is still not over. There is one more bonus tip which I wanted to give, which I came across in Social Media Examiner's video. They have posted a very good video around it, and it reminds me of one thing, which is that most of the time what happens is that we think about business a lot that we forget about our own audience. For example, they mentioned one particular example, where I will take another one, which is if you are a lifestyle vlogger, okay, and you are always typing lifestyle and hashtag lifestyle, hashtag vlogger lifestyle, your audience is not there. Your audience is somewhere where you are clicking that photo. For example, if you are going to salon, okay, and you keep on typing hashtag salon, hashtag, but instead go on and type hashtag nail art, or whatever you are getting done, hashtag hair art. Instead of just posting everything about being an influencer, you need to tap where your audience actually is, so that you can double down on your reach. You need to mix match everything. For example, I'll take one more. If I am posting about affiliate marketer, okay, and I am posting all the things which are related to hashtag affiliate marketing in my post, and not actually utilizing that who all would want to have, or who all would want to go through that particular video, then it is of no use, because no one in his right mind would come to Instagram and search these things. They have YouTube and Google already for that. So I would be including hashtag dietitians, hashtag nutritionists, because they have really great affiliate programs. And also one of my video also focuses on those particular kind of attributes, where I am discussing all the affiliate programs which are good for dietitians and nutritionists. So you have to kind of mix match each and everything and realize which one is particularly beneficial for you. Also guys, you are already promoting on Instagram, so I would say Instagram is one of the best way how you can increase one income stream, and that is through affiliate marketing. And while you are here, I would recommend checking out a free course from the I button, or here from the I button, where you can check out my affiliate marketing course, where I have given you each and everything related to affiliate marketing. After completing that course, you would have all the knowledge about what is affiliate marketing, how you can earn money through affiliate marketing, how you can earn money while sleeping. Yeah. And also you would be bombarded with a lot of affiliate marketing programs which I have discussed in the last section of that particular video, of that particular course. So go ahead, check that out. Also, if you feel this particular video was useful, then give it a thumbs up, and until next time, bye bye.